In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your SoFi account. If you've decided it's time to bid farewell to your SoFi account, you're in the right place. Now, whether you're closing an account because you found other financial solutions or you just don't need it anymore, I'll walk you through every step you need to take. We're going to make this process as smooth as possible, so stick around. To get started, you'll want to log into your SoFi app. Make sure you're signed in with the specific account you want to close. This might seem obvious, but it's an important first step to avoid any mix-ups. Now, once you're logged in, take a moment to ensure that all your balances are at zero and that you have no outstanding obligations. This means you'll want to manually transfer any remaining funds to other accounts or pay off any pending transactions. You'll want to clear everything to smoothen the closing process. So once that's all taken care of, you can proceed to find the close account or delete account option. If you're with SoFi Money, which is essentially your cash or banking account, you'll want to tap on the gear or settings icon and then select close account from the menu. On the other hand, if you're dealing with SoFi checking and savings accounts, from the checking or savings homepage, tap the gear icon and select close account. Each type of account has this option within its settings, so be sure you're in the right section. At this point, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts are in place to confirm that you really mean to close your account. Take your time to read each message. They might want to confirm a few details to ensure it's really you requesting this. If you happen to run into trouble, say you can't find the option to delete, or maybe there's a block in place because of unresolved issues, there's no need to panic. SoFi support is there to help. You can reach out to them using the in-app chat, which is quite convenient. Alternatively, you can give them a call. For those in the US, the support number is 855-456-7634. Be ready to explain that you wish to deactivate and delete the account so they can guide you through any remaining steps. And that's it. Once you follow these instructions, your SoFi account should be on its way to being closed. Remember, every part of this process is designed to ensure you're making the decision that's best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.